Hey, what's up, guys? It's been so long, man. How y'all been, man? Sorry, man, I don't talk like that. Anyways, as you can see over here is the Apple bag. So you guys know what it is. Oh shit, bruh. Oh, bruh, look at that, man. It's Christmas came early. AirPods Pro, not the third gen, but the Pro. Like, who gets the third gen anyways? That thing, this is just better, man. Just get this. AirPods Pro, iPhone 13 Pro. This is like, what's this? Screen protector. I got two because one for my auntie. And of course, 13 Pro leather case, midnight from Apple.